Good morning, Grange. I'm going to show you how you can make a helicopter. Yeah, that's right, but not a real one. This one is really fun to do. I'm just going to show you how to make it and see what it does. It spins down. Just do that again. It goes right to the ground. Oops. Okay. But to make it, I'll just show you what you need. So, you need a piece of paper, a ruler. You do need something to weigh your helicopter down with. This is a paper clip, pair of scissors, pencil, rubber if you make a mistake. For the purposes of this video, I've used a pen so you can see. So, first of all, you get your piece of paper like that. You measure. So, this is what you need as your measurements. 18 centimetres long by 7 centimetres wide. And halfway, 3.5 centimetres in, you draw a line 8 centimetres long. Okay? A little bit further down you put 2 spots. Okay? You then draw in those lines just at the side. Then you are ready to cut it out. So I'll do that straight away. So you cut this out. You will end up with something that looks a bit like a lollipop. So I'll just do that very quickly. Now the bits you cut at the side, you fold in like this. Okay. So there you have what looks at the moment like a lollipop. You fold these either side. Okay, try and get it straight, which I'm not doing. There we go. And this you need to weight it down. Okay, now you can fold it up to give it a bit more weight at the bottom. I'll try that. And we'll try this one. Ready, let's get those flaps going, and there it goes. Okay, one more time just for good luck. I'll do it over the table. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon after this funny time is over. Bye bye.